Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 5 best free CAD software for workshop design. Number 5. SketchUp Free. SketchUp Free is a very practical CAD tool for workshop design because it allows users to build room layouts quickly and test how tools, workbenches, and storage areas will fit inside the space. The software runs directly in a web browser, so there is no installation required and projects stay saved online automatically. Users can draw the shape of the workshop and then pull the walls into 3D form, which makes it easy to visualize the actual workspace. Once the structure is created, machines, shelves, tables, and other equipment can be placed into the layout to check spacing and movement paths. SketchUp also provides access to a large 3D model library where users can import models of tools and workshop equipment. This helps create a more realistic layout and makes it easier to decide where machines and work areas should be placed. The interface is simple enough for beginners to understand quickly while still offering enough flexibility for detailed layouts. While it does not focus heavily on engineering analysis, it works very well for planning the structure and organization of a workshop. For designing a functional workspace and testing different layout ideas, SketchUp Free provides a clear and easy free CAD option. Number 4. Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is useful for workshop design when the focus is on planning tool setups, workstations, and custom equipment inside the workspace. The software allows users to create accurate 3D models of workbenches, tool holders, storage racks, and machine mounts. Because it uses parametric modeling, dimensions can be adjusted later without rebuilding the entire model. This helps when experimenting with different workshop layouts or resizing workstations to fit the available space. Designers can also create assemblies, which makes it easier to see how different pieces of equipment fit together within the workshop environment. Another advantage is that Fusion 360 supports exporting models for CNC machining and 3D printing, which allows users to build custom tool mounts or workshop accessories directly from their designs. The cloud system keeps projects saved and accessible across devices, which is helpful when making changes from different computers. The interface includes many design tools, so beginners may need a little time to understand the workflow, but once familiar with the system, it becomes very efficient. For people building custom workshop setups or designing tool storage solutions, Fusion 360 provides a capable FreeCAD solution. Number 3. FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a flexible open-source CAD program that works well for workshop design, especially when planning custom furniture, tool stands, and storage systems. The software uses parametric modeling, which allows users to adjust measurements later without rebuilding the entire design. This becomes very helpful when arranging workbenches, cabinets, or machine mounts because dimensions often change while organizing the available space. Instead of starting over each time something needs to move or resize, users can simply update the parameters and the model adjusts automatically. FreeCAD also includes workbenches for part design and assembly modeling, which help when designing several workshop components and checking how they fit together. Users can create layouts for tool racks, machine platforms, and storage structures while maintaining precise measurements. The program also supports exporting files for CNC machining and 3D printing, which makes it easier to produce custom workshop accessories or mounts. The interface may feel technical in the beginning because the software includes many engineering tools, but once the workflow becomes familiar, it provides strong control over detailed designs. For people building custom workshop setups or designing organized tool storage systems, FreeCAD offers a powerful FreeCAD environment. Number 2. OnShape. OnShape is a cloud-based CAD platform that works well for workshop design when planning equipment layouts and custom tool structures. The software runs directly in a web browser, so there is no installation required and projects stay saved online automatically. Users can design detailed 3D models of workbenches, storage racks, machine mounts, and other workshop components while maintaining accurate measurements. OnShape uses parametric modeling, which allows dimensions and features to be adjusted later without rebuilding the entire design. This is useful when arranging machines and workstations inside a workshop because layouts often change while optimizing the available space. The platform also supports assembly design, allowing multiple parts to be combined and reviewed together. This helps when designing workshop furniture or tool systems that include several connected components. Another useful feature is its version control system, which records every change made to the design and allows users to return to earlier versions if needed. The interface stays clean and organized, helping users focus on design tasks without unnecessary complexity. For planning workshop layouts and designing custom equipment structures, OnShape provides a reliable FreeCAD solution. Number 1. Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a simple CAD tool that works well for basic workshop design, especially for planning small tool setups and custom storage ideas. The software runs directly in a web browser and allows users to create 3D models by combining simple shapes. Workbenches, tool holders, shelves, and small storage units can be built by dragging shapes into the workspace and adjusting their size or position. This keeps the design process very easy to understand, even for users who have never worked with CAD before. Tinkercad also allows quick changes, so users can test different workshop layouts or adjust the size of storage units without much effort. Another helpful feature is its support for exporting models for 3D printing, which makes it possible to create custom tool holders, mounts, or small workshop accessories directly from the design. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, allowing most users to start building models within minutes. While it does not include advanced engineering tools used in professional design software, it works very well for planning simple workshop ideas and building small custom parts. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.